nothing with a little bit more power because Saren is kind of outworked. There's a big left hand, and it's going to be hard for him to pull himself off the canvas.
Taong Abril 22, 2013, dumayo sa unang pagkakataon sa bansang Macau ang nooy undefeated WBO International Flyweight Champion na si Melindo para kasahan itong kinakatakutan umano na champion ng bansang Indonesia na si Tommy Siran. May impresibong record itong Indonesian champion na 23 wins, only 1 defeat, 3 via knockout at 3 Pinoy na din ang tinudas nito. Kaya naman may lakas ng loob itong si Siran. Nasabayan sa suntukan ang ating pambato na si Melindo na noon ay may undefeated record na 28 wins, 0 loss, 10 via knockout. Pero itong si Melindo ay gusto ding makarisbak para sa 3 Pinoy na tinalo nitong Indonesian champion. Gustong putulin ang sumpa na inumpisahan nitong kalaban na si Siran. Parehong dayo ang dalawang boksingero sa bansang Macau. 5'2 lang ang Pinoy at may edad na 25, habang 5'4 naman ang Indonesian champion at may edad na 29. Nakaschedule ang laban nila sa 10 rounds. Undercard sila ng labang Brian Viloria kontra Juan Francisco Estrada. Sa mismong bakbakan ay makikitang parehong mataas ang kumpiyansa ng dalawang mandirigma na pabagsakin ang isa't isa. Bakbakan na kung bakbakan, walang atrasan, palitan ng mga kombinasyon. Parehong matapang at palaban, parehong nakakatama din ng mga solidong mga kamao. Parehong gustong manalo ng impresibo. Pero talagang nangibabaw ang tibay at lakas ng Pinoy sa bakbakan. Lupaypay ang inabot ng Indonesian champion sa kamay ni Melindo.
Melindo won the WBC Youth Intercontinental Flyweight title, and last year he won the vacant WBO Intercontinental Flyweight title as well. So this may be a real nice boxing match since we've had.
Sa unang round, bakbakan na agad. Pero ilang segundo lang, napakain agad ng Pinoy ng malupit na kombinasyon itong Indonesian at bagsak agad ito.
Saren to the left of your screen.
Pero bumangon kahit sobrang hilo at pilit pang sinabayan si Melindo sa suntukan.
Melindo comes in. This is not what we expected. He's ready to go again with the jab. Watch Melindo digging body shot. He's hurt him now. Not known for his power, but he's taking advantage of it early here as he surprised Tommy Saren. Of course, the competition that looks really outstanding. Of course, anybody does when they knock somebody down in the opening, a little bit loose in the knees. But Melindo has plenty of time if he catches good body shots again below those elbows. The 12 and a half. It's a big difference for little guys. 2.5 pounds. He's a boxer too, as is the book on Melindo. Ear on the right side of the head for Tommy Saren. And he still has a little bit of a tendency to waltz in, but not as much now for him. Although he bends at the waist, he took another shot there, taking body shot again. Hard body shot, second now, round number 1. Jab, comes back, Saren. That's the right idea. You don't want to be in that hit zone without throwing, and that's a mistake he made. And here's the knockdown for you. Watch the left hand, bang, right there. Snaps the head. Who, by the way, are new to covering boxing, and they're doing a great job. When we got one more look for you. And our videotape replay man of the best in the business. Beautiful shot here. Drops fantastic, and it's really exciting to be in China.
Round 2, bahagyang nakarecover na agad ang Indonesia na si Siran. Bumabawi na ng mga kombinasyon at mga patama sa ating pambato.
Indonesian fighter has the sort of multicolored trunks with the red shoes. The trunks, that's Tommy Saren. Saren can score these boxing better now than he started in that first round. He was surprised with that power contribution.
Pero makalipas lang ang 1 minuto ay nahuli na naman ng malupit na kombinasyon itong kalaban at bagsak na naman.
Clean shot with the left hook. Right hand that time, right on the chin. And Saren's hurt this time a little bit more.
Pero talagang palaban, bumangon pa sa bilang at nakipagsabayan pa din kay kabayan.
A minute to go. Let's see if he can recover here. He's back and he's got 11 knockouts in 28 fights. And it's been good. So Melindo's record deceptive, where he only has the 11 knockouts. Leila Ali's one of them. Great right hand. It did hurt by Wang Joe. But this is a whole different kettle of fish here. All right, so watch the right hand this time. And he comes, boom, right there. He was in the process of throwing his own shot, and he get caught right on the button. Watch this, boom. He's throwing a wide shot with his own. 3 knockouts in the fight so far tonight. This is our 4th fight of the evening, and we've had 2 knockdowns in the first 2 rounds, so it's exciting. Let's see if Saren can recover, or if Melindo can go in round 2. This is the 3rd round, and it's
Round 3. Tuloy ang maaksyong bakbakan ng dalawang mandirigma si Babaw ng Lona. Bahagyang nakarecover na din ang kalaban, naging mas agresibo at nakakatama din ng mga solidong kamao.
Saren's not throwing anything hard. He's busy enough. And, you know, he might look like he's out punching this guy right now, and he's throwing more shots. But none of these are hard punches. Special, that's what he's looking to do. Has done this twice. And he's boxing decently right now, but no power behind his shots. And the book on Melindo is technician, but he ends up Melindo. Closing seconds now. This is the 3rd round. Decent round for Saren. It's a hard round to score. Some judges, toprank.com, as you see the replays, see the reason why I scored that in favor of Melindo was exactly what you're watching. When he lands shots, they're very, very powerful. The Showtime Arena at the beautiful Venetian in Macau, China. The Venetian...
Round 4, parehong nagpapalitan pa din ng mga kombinasyon ang dalawang matatapang na boksidor. Walang atrasan, talagang purong suntukan lang. Bahagyang nakabawi na din dito ang Indonesian champion. Siya ang mas umaabanti sa laban at sumusuntok, habang si Melindo ay tamang abang lang para mapakain ang counter na solido. Kaya naman sa mga huling segundo ng round 4 ay napakain na naman ng Pinoy itong kalaban na isang malupit na kombinasyon na nagpabagsak kay Siran sa pangatlong pagkakataon sa bakbakan. Sinubukan pa naman niyang bumangon sa bilang, pero wala na. Lupay-pay na ang mga paa niya sa sobrang hilo na natamo mula sa suntok ni Milan El Metodico Melindo.
Victory for Milan Melindo. So watch this shot. Left hook, perfect. Coming forward and
Panalo ang Pinoy via 4th round TKO at napanatili ni Melindo ang malinis ng kartada, habang nalasap naman ng Indonesian champion na si Siran ang pangalawang kabiguan sa kanyang karera.
Your winner by way of technical knockout, still undefeated, Nilamog, El Meteorico Melindo.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.